Catherine Bernardo update. Yung contract signing renewal ni Catherine for BPI Direct Banco. Yung congrats kay Catherine, mananatiling endorser ng BPI Banco. Yun pretty and red si Catherine. Yung pa mga nagpa-feature kay Catherine. Sa yung contract signing renewal ni Catherine. Saka ito pa, IG story ni John Bowie for KFC TV commercial. And sunod-sunod yung mga ganap ni Catherine. Grabe yun. Yung nagpa-picture din kay Catherine, si Miyuki De Leon. Saka ito pa yung post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram for fans na endorsement niya. Sa screen, sabi, plan for the summer involves a lot sunshine in ice cream and the sweetest company my fans drink SPF. Yun ang ganda ni Kat and for fans sunscreen this summer. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with your reaction vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.